What's good with the chat? It's C-Mac and I am back for another video. Welcome back to Vlogmas Day 5. If you guys don't know, I am posting every single day through the month of December. So if you guys don't want to miss a video, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on that post bell notification. Without further ado, we're just going to get straight into the video. Today, we're not going to be doing a custom. We're actually going to be doing another unboxing. So for a treat to myself for hitting 3,000 subscribers here on YouTube, I decided that I was going to go ahead and upgrade my sewing machine. Now, if you know, or if you don't know, I've been using this Brother machine for a while, for a couple of years now. This is probably the most basic machine that you can kind of get. I think it's only like $90 at Walmart. Don't get me wrong, really great starter machine, but I think it is time for an upgrade. So I am super excited that I will be steering away from my Brother machine. I actually caved in and got a freaking Singer machine. This will be my first Singer machine. All my other machines are Brothers, so super excited to kind of see this. Super nervous. So I didn't go big. I didn't do like a big fancy most expensive machine. I didn't go industrial. I didn't do any of that, but I feel like I went kind of a step up from the Brother machine to another machine. As you know, once you get a new machine, it's kind of either really hard, not really hard to figure out how to use it, but to get familiar with how that machine works and operates, versus a machine like my Brother machine that I've been using for a couple of years. So I kind of know how to, the ins and outs and how to navigate through that. So super nervous. I did go ahead and get the Singer 4432 heavy duty, and I got the Sterling edition, so it's black. It's not like the regular gray ones you guys see. I'm really excited for this because this machine, as I was told, that it kind of upholds more heavy duty materials. So that's like the denims, thicker materials, which my brother honestly didn't have really much of an issue on doing that, but I just had a peek of this and it looks so cute. But I heard this one's supposed to be like butter, so we're gonna go ahead and see. Open it up. This did come with a bunch of stuff as well. Black is so nice. Wow, it's like a matte black almost. All right, so as you can see, I'm just going straight into the machine. Yeah, that black is nice. One of the other things that I was most excited about is changing the stitch length for like top stitching. I'm excited, and I'm gonna keep saying I'm excited. Another note of the difference is the neck space. Is this called the neck space? All right, yeah, my mic died. Anyways, what I noticed right away is kind of the bigger, I think this is called like a neck or a throat space. Significantly huge difference, I feel like. Oh yeah, definitely. Another big thing that I noticed, that it's a lot heavier. It's heavy duty, but it is a lot heavier, so I'm guessing a lot more stable. For my Brother machine, when I used it, it kind of like shaked when I like wanted to go like flow state fast. It'll start, you know, kind of wobbling off the table. So this should be, you know, kind of good, but it's a little bit heavier. I'm also noticing, you know, kind of the different thread patterns, I guess. I don't know if that's what you call them. Stitch length, width, needle position, tension, all of that's on here. I'm super excited to get this kind of up and running and start my project. So here's another close up. Super nice, super sleek. Oh my gosh. Compared to that, I don't know. I feel like that's a huge difference. Go ahead and unbox kind of the other things that came with it, and let's just give it a test run. So it looks like it comes with a couple of different things. A cover, oh my god, which I really need, but I was actually going to sew me a cover, but I can use this as a great template for myself. So that's cool. I really need one of these for my other machines. But also, obviously it comes with the, you know, the user manuals, all that fun stuff. Then it also comes with, looks like a little duster. It's like some extra needles. I'm not too entirely sure what this is, but it looks like it goes, oh. It fits right on top. It's to hold the thread, I'm guessing. No, because that, maybe if you want it kind of up, down, or if you want it down here. Who knows? I'm going to read the manual, I promise, so I don't break it. But it looks like it just goes into right here. So I'm just going to leave it right there for now. Also comes with one of these things. I don't know. Maybe I should really read the manual to see what these things are called. So I'm not just saying these things, these things. After further inspection, I went through everything and they don't have a parts list. Because what I'm guessing is this goes, like, it holds the thread. So like here you just kind of put it, because that's kind of how my embroidery machine is. So that's what I would guess that piece is for. Looks like we got some bobbin holders. We got 3 of those. Always good to have. Love that these come with those. I also figured out that this comes with a seam ripper as well. This little duster thing. Always can use seam rippers. Comes with a couple of different foots. See, a zipper foot and a buttonhole foot. So here's another foot. There's some other little gadgets here that came with it. Again, I still need to learn what they are and what they do. So I'm sorry if you guys came here looking for that. Oh, we also got the presser foot here as well. And we are just gonna do a couple of stitches. All right, y'all, so I got it all threaded up, bobbin in. Now I got some denim and we're just going to do some practice stitches on it. Wow, so smooth. One thing I do have to get used to is this back lever foot goes up and out, and let's see what that first stitch looks like. Okay, not terrible, but I definitely want to play with some of the settings. Hey y'all, I figured it out. Yes, this is exactly what I was trying to do. So, first 2, and then there's this third one. So you could tell like the first 2 that I did came out like very small and thin. This is kind of what I wanted. And I'm gonna go ahead and go into making my first project with this machine. Let me know what you guys think. Would you guys get, do you guys have it already? Let me know what you guys think down below. As always, stay positive, and you know I'll be back for more videos. Bye.
Get out your feelings and get it yourself. Might got the same shoes, but you ain't gonna step. That shit that you just put out, you could've kept.